The Microsoft 365 Business Premium license unlocks a wide range of advanced features. In this video, I will give you a brief understanding of anti-phishing policies, Microsoft Entra ID, Microsoft Purview, conditional access, DLP protection, and email encryption. Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure Active Directory Password Protection. This maintains commonly used, easy-to-guess passwords and stops users from being able to use these. It checks password entries in real time against a vast database of known, leaked, or compromised passwords. If a user tries to set or use a compromised password, they will be prompted to choose a stronger and more secure password. Microsoft Purview, formerly known as Azure Information Protection, allows you to manually or automatically label emails and SharePoint documents prior to sharing with a user dependent on the content of the email or document. The user will then only be able to access the data if they have the correct credentials, which is set by the organisation. User groups can be created for certain permissions. Anti-phishing policies. Anti-phishing policies work by identifying and blocking suspicious emails that mimic trustworthy sources like banks or popular websites. If the email raises red flags, Microsoft 365 will mark it as potentially dangerous or move it to the spam folder, keeping you safe from falling into the trap and your information being stolen. Data Loss Prevention Protection (DLP) is designed to prevent the accidental or unauthorized sharing of sensitive information within an organization. It helps organizations maintain control over their data as it can set parameters for alerts and ensure compliance with the data protection regulations, and to reduce the risk of data breaches or financial penalties. Conditional access. Organizations can control who can access sensitive data and applications, making sure only the right people can get in and only under secure conditions. Essentially, it stops the bad guys getting in. If a user was caught in a phishing scam, without an organizational device, the hacker wouldn't be able to access the account, even if they had the multi-factor authentication code. Finally, email encryption. It adds an extra layer of security to your communications, safeguarding your data from interception and ensuring that only the intended recipients can access and read the encrypted messages. It prevents emails from being forwarded, set an expiration date for the encrypted email, or requires recipients to authenticate before accessing the message. If you do have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact the AAG team. Thank you.